Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable double tap space to add a period, a symbol in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for it and how to turn it on. First, settings. Then in settings we are looking for general management options menu. Next we need to go to Samsung keyboard settings menu. Then we need to scroll to more typing options. And here we have our function, so double tap spacebar to add a period. It's a simple on or off switch, so function on, function off, and that's basically it. This option by default should be turned on, but if it's not, the switch is here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.